Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today we are diving into one of the most fascinating mysteries of computer science, digital amnesia. What if computers forgot zeros and ones? You see deep inside every machine, whether it is your laptop, smartphone, smartwatch, or even the servers that run Google. Everything boils down to a simple question, yes or no, on or off, 0 or 1. So question is how do computers use these two digits, zeros and ones, to build the digital world around us? That is the question. And next question is, what if computers forgot these zeros and ones suddenly? So answer to this question, if computers suddenly forgot those zeros and ones, in that case all digital information would instantly turn meaningless. Files would corrupt, communication would collapse, and even the most advanced artificial intelligence systems would become silent. It's just like erasing the alphabet from human memory. We couldn't read, we couldn't write, we couldn't speak. That means the entire digital world would vanish into digital amnesia. These things would happen if computers suddenly forgot all those zeros and ones. So actually these zeros and ones form what? Form logic. These zeros and ones actually form binary system. From binary we get logic. From logic we get computation. And from computation we get the digital universe. So you know that computers are what? Computers are nothing but electronic machines. At their core, they deal with electricity. Either electricity flows through a wire or it does not. It doesn't, okay? Either electricity flows through a wire or it doesn't. Say for example, when electricity flows through a wire, that is being represented by 1, the digit 1. And when electricity does not flow through the wire, in that case, that state is being denoted by 0. Symbol 1 is there, symbol 0 is there, only 2. Okay. So actually, this is the perfect match for binary system. This is the perfect match for binary system. Zeros and ones are used. That means on and off system are used. Say for example, when electricity flows, that is on condition, on, okay? And when electricity does not flow, that is off condition. So this on-off makes what? This on-off system makes computers reliable and easy to design. So these zeros and ones actually form the binary system. And these zeros and ones are not actually random. They pass through billions of transistors. What are transistors? They are nothing but tiny electronic switches. And they form what? They form logic gates. You know logic gates, and or not. These are logic gates, and these logic gates actually allow computers to make decisions. You know, grammar rules build sentences. Similarly, these logic gates and or not, these logic gates are actually exist behind all those apps, artificial intelligence, those video games, etc. Behind all those things, what are there? Or if you talk about videos, okay, or songs, whenever you are using those social media platforms, behind all these things, the most important thing which is present is those binary digits, zeros and ones. Okay, and if you talk about text, then images. So text, that means the letters are there. So each letter is nothing but each letter is actually stored as a what? As a unique binary code, ASCII or Unicode. ASCII or Unicode. Okay, ASCII means ASCII, ASCII, or Unicode. And if you talk about pictures, then pictures are formed by pixels, and each pixel means you can say this way also that pictures are nothing but millions of tiny colored pixels, and each pixel is represented using binary. Okay, anyway, for these things, how texts are created using logic gates, or better to say, how computers actually creates text, how computers create images. For these things, I'll make a separate videos. Okay. So here the main topic of discussion was why those zeros and ones are so much important. So I have already discussed all the aspects of these zeros and ones in this video. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.